Welcome to Zenyo Payroll. In this video, let's see how to process pay runs for your employees. I hope you have watched the advances or loans video. If you've not, I recommend you watch it. You'll find the video link in the description. Go to payroll. You'll find two tabs: the payroll summary that gives information about the payroll type, pay run date, status, batch name, gross, TDS, surcharge, etc. And the YTD, year to date. Information is useful because it provides a comprehensive record of each employee's earnings, deductions, and taxes paid from the first day of the fiscal year up to the current date. When employees switch from one company to another, the new employer must have access to accurate YTD information that can help them to properly set up the employee's payroll record and ensure that they are paying the correct amount of payroll taxes. Or when a company adopts a new payroll software system in the middle of the financial year, YTD reports should be accurately entered into the system. This is essential to ensure accurate payroll processing moving forward, including the proper calculation and remittance of payroll taxes. You can either import the YTD file by selecting a file and hitting the upload button, or click on the download template file and manually fill in the YTD details of an employee. You can review the payroll that is in draft status by clicking on it. It gives you an overview of the payroll summary, TDS summary, PF and ASI summary, etc. You can either lock, void payroll or submit the payroll for processing. Beneath it, you'll find the employee summary where you can edit or delete the pay run details. You can even export, refresh or view the cash requirements. To run a payroll, make sure none of the previous pay runs are in draft. Click on the Run Payroll button. Select the batch and pay period. You'll find the basic payroll information like payroll type, employees, payroll started on, and payroll started by. On the right, there are various steps that you need to complete in order to run a payroll. Let us see them one by one. Click on Start Payroll. You have the compensation information for all the employees in the particular batch. If you need to make any changes in the compensation information, go to the compensation module on the Zenyo Payroll landing page. To know more about compensations, watch the video titled Adding Compensation, which link is given in the description below. Similarly, review the expenses info. Once you're done, click Continue. In the second step, review the employee's LOP days, overtime days and overtime amount. Click on Continue. Review the employee's IT declarations information. Verify the unverified declarations if any. You may do that by entering the IT declarations module. The fourth step is where you review employees' leaves and manage the leave encashment. Finally, in the last and the fifth step, review employees' missing or invalid information. Valid information is represented by the tick mark and invalid details are shown in red. Make sure you fill in all the necessary details. Once you are all done, click on Submit. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.